Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you how to check and top up the engine oil level on a Toyota Estima or Lucida from 1991 to 1999. This one's a diesel one, so the petrol engine layout is slightly different, but it'll give you an idea of how to get to the engine compartment, and I think that the oil dipstick is in roughly the same place. There are two ways actually of topping the engine up on these cars, which is quite unusual. So I will show you the traditional way of doing it first, and then it actually has an expansion tank under the bonnet at the front. So I will show you how to check and top up both of those. So we'll start with the engine oil top up, so actually directly topping up the engine through the filler cap. So to do that, you need to go under the passenger side seat, because obviously the engine is laid under here. So if you pull this lever on the chair to tilt the seat as far forward as you can, and then if you look under the front of the seat, so you've got your lever here to slide the seat back and forth. If you slide it back, you'll be able to see this lever a bit easier, but this yellow lever here wants pushing upwards, and then the seat will fold back like that. And then once you've got to that stage, basically all you want to do is lift this bit of carpet up, like that, just get it out of the way, and then this little twist lever here just turns anti-clockwise, and then you lift this panel up, and you can see it slots under with two little tabs either side. So you just lift it up and pull it towards you, and then once you've pulled it towards you, you've got the engine oil dipstick in here. There's a good chance this is very low because it's been sat here leaking oil for a very long time. So it wasn't actually low, which is surprising. It's not easy with the light torch on, but at the end of here, you can see that textured section. There's a big F at the top, which obviously stands for full. So the bottom of the textured section is the lowest mark, and the top of the textured section is the highest mark. And it wasn't actually low, which is quite surprising, but basically it's usually about a litre from the bottom mark to the top mark, just to give you an idea of how much you need to put in. Don't just bang a litre in it if it's on the bottom mark. Put a little bit in, and then let it settle for a few seconds. Check the dipstick and just keep topping it up a little bit at a time. You don't want to put too much oil into it. But that is how to check the engine oil directly from the engine. I will show you now how to top up the expansion tank reservoir. So for the expansion tank, you want to open the bonnet. So the reason these have an expansion tank is because the engine's actually laid out like this, sideways, which means that it can only have like a really shallow sump, which means it can't actually hold very much oil. So they put an expansion tank in that holds extra oil, which is obviously empty. But you've got marks on the side here. So you've got the L at the bottom, which is the low mark, and then the F at the top, which is the full mark. And basically you just untwist this cap anti-clockwise, turn it like half a turn, and it'll pop off, and you can top up the oil in here. It does have a mesh filter in it to stop like crap getting into it, so you'll have to pour it in quite slowly, but yeah, basically pour it into there, let it fill up. I will top this up actually because it needs doing anyway. So like I said earlier, this one is a 2.2 turbo diesel model, which is quite rare. Most of them are petrol. So the diesel one will either take 10W40 or 5W40 engine oil. I will find out what the petrol ones take and leave a link to the right oil in the description for all of the models. So check the description if you need some oil. I had to use both hands to top it up because it's a bit fiddly, because when you've got the gauze in, it takes a really long time to fill it up. But if you're very confident that the oil that you're putting in is very clean, you can take the gauze out to kind of make it quicker to top up. But yeah, if you top it all the way up till it hits this full mark here, you should be good. And then you can just chuck the lid back on, just twist clockwise like that. So that is how to check and top up the engine oil on a Toyota Estima, Lucida, Previa, and Emina, or Anima, whatever they call it. So they've got so many names for them. But yeah, that is how to do it. Like I said,
This one's diesel, so it takes 1040 or 540 or engine oil. I will stick a link to the engine oil in the description down below, and I'll also find out what all the other engine models take, and I'll leave a link to them too. But if that has helped you, make sure you leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.